Hi there, my name's Daniel, and I'm here today to talk to you about the BMC Luna G3, Australia's latest and best automatic CPAP machine. Right off the bat, what's so great about the Luna G3 is the fact that it is completely automatic. No settings required, no prescription from your doctor necessary, just put on the mask, press start, and the machine delivers the exact pressure you need while you're sleeping. What's so great about the G3 as well is that it includes two brand new exclusive features that no other CPAP brand in the country has. This includes the automatic ramp function, which automatically adjusts the ramp pressure settings while you're drifting off to sleep. The second exclusive new feature is the automatic heater, which helps prevent condensation buildup in the heated hose. With other CPAP brands, what you have to do to fill up the tank with water is you have to detach the humidifier from the CPAP machine itself. But with our machine, it's quite simple. You can just lift the lid as so and fill it with water, or you can detach the tank by pressing down and lifting it off, and then press down firmly to reattach. While using a CPAP machine, you might need to get your sleep data taken to your doctor so that you can see how you're going and reevaluate. An SD card is included with the Luna G3, and how you can locate it is right next to the humidifier. Just pop the tank off, and the SD card is in this little side latch here. And you can take that out, get the sleep data off of it, and take it to your doctor. The Luna G3 also includes a Bluetooth device function, where you can install an app on your smart device that connects via Bluetooth to the G3 and records your sleep data as well as the SD card. The BMC Luna G3 is hands down the best automatic CPAP machine in Australia. It comes with a carry case, it comes with a mask of your choice, it comes with the heated hose and heated humidifier. It also comes with the SD card and Bluetooth device app, both ways which help record your sleep data. Did I mention the G3 also comes inclusive of 5 years warranty? That's 3 years more than other standard CPAP brands. The BMC Luna G3 is the best machine in Australia right now, and if you buy this package from us, you can use the code in the drop down description below to get $50 off our standard package price. We also offer payment plans from as little as $39.34 per fortnight on an 18-month payment plan. With prices that low and that affordable, why wouldn't you want to treat your sleep apnea sooner? Once again, this has been Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia. I hope you've enjoyed this review. Have a great day.